Hi, Jeffrey Jones, Las Vegas Realtor here, taking you on a preview of the Lennar Townhomes down here on Altair community. This is right by the M Resort. You can't quite see it over the wall, but Las Vegas Boulevard is right back here, the I-15, and then we've got these townhomes. We're going to be looking at the Cardinal. This is 1,400 square feet. 3 bedroom, 2 bath, brand new home. Everything you see is included. So 1446, and it comes with the Ring doorbell included. So that's nice in these new homes. The electronic keypad. This is a fiberglass door. It looks like it's got the wood grain in there, but it's actually fiberglass, which helps reduce heat and dampen the noise. Nice big open floor plan here. And this home does come with these 2-inch blinds, and you just kind of lift up and they go up there. So that's nice. Dual pane, low E windows, brand new air conditioner that you don't have to worry about going out like on a used home. So this is the model. So it's designed a little bit differently, but everything you see is included. Nice modern rocker panel light switches, stainless steel, nickel appliances there. This home comes with a 8-foot sliding glass door, 6 feet wide, little patio there. And then you've got your remote access HVAC, adjust your temperature from work on your way home. Granite countertop and 42-inch cabinetry here by Timberlake, and everything is soft close. So when you go to fling the door shut, it kind of stops and closes quietly by itself. Same with these drawers here. So you could do that to your existing home, just add the right hardware, but this comes everything, no panels or cabinetry hanging down sideways, and then it also comes with that crown molding along the top there, so that is included. All GE stainless steel matching appliances, and then the undermount large stainless steel sink here. I like how it's just one sink instead of 2 sides because it makes it easier to wash stuff. Nice hardware up above here, and then you'd have your choice of the flooring. That would be a little optional there. You've got a 2-car garage in the back there, which is locked. They've taken the door to the bathrooms off. Makes them seem a little bit larger here. Hi. So you've got a half bath downstairs. And then you'd have to put your own window decorations on there. Let's go upstairs. So nice big open living area. And then you've got a real tall ceilings. 8.5-foot ceilings upstairs, and I think it's either 8 or 9 downstairs. So at the top of the landing here, we've got a laundry closet with a stacked space-saving washer and dryer. And then above the doors, you've got those vents, which kind of keep doors from slamming and the pressure. So you've got that there. Here's your second bedroom. This is a 10 by 11, nice striping they put on the walls here in that model. And then your master is a 12 by 13. And it does come with all the window treatments. Well, the blinds, not the curtains. And then you've got the separate tub shower set up here. So you can have your brisk shower in the morning. You've got a bench, and then also soaking in the tub in the evening. Long counter here, dual sink, so 2 people can be brushing their teeth, getting ready at the same time. And a full width 42-inch mirror back there, so you can really see yourself from every angle. You've got the modern dual flush toilets that uses a little less water, and then it's a little longer there too. The only thing is this closet is not oversized for a new home. You do have your home media center back here, which has all of your Cat 6A wiring to the house and your Wi-Fi. So this house is pre-wired for Wi-Fi. And then In the master, you do have the USB ports in the plugs right there, so that's nice. And in the kitchen, you can add those to a resale home from Home Depot, but you know, these new homes come with real nice features like that. You know, obviously GFI, this is in the extra bathroom, and then you've just got the shower tub insert, which is easy to clean up, low maintenance. And then your third bedroom here, also a 10 by 11. So that's your tour today. This home starts at $304,000 with 3.5% down at current interest rates at about 2.85 or 2.75. If you have good credit with a larger down payment, you could get your payments down to about $1,800 a month plus the HOA. So under $2,000 a month to be paying off your own home instead of renting or paying off someone else's home. So, and this is a brand new home, never lived in before, home warranty. The air conditioner is not going out. So anyway, if you're interested, about $1,800 a month for your own brand new townhome by Lennar. And everything you see in this home is included. So all the cabinetry, granite countertops. Jeff Jones with eXp Realty. Give me a call. I'd love to help you out with a new home. Bye.